If you get the chance to go to Baguio soon, expect shorter travel time as the Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway, or TPLEX, is now complete. Let's get the latest on this from Camille Samonte. She's joining us on the phone from Pampanga. Camille.
You are right, Charles. It is now more convenient and faster to travel up north after the last segment of the TPLEX has finally opened to motorists. Travel time between Tarlac to Rosario La Union has been reduced to just an hour from the previous 3.5 hours. The whole expressway would save motorists by as much as 3 hours of travel between Manila and the summer capital of the country, Baguio City. Other than east traffic, TPLEX is expected to boost interconnectivity between Baguio City, La Union, and Ilocos. Meanwhile, Transport Secretary Arthur Tagari, together with Chief Implementer of the National Task Force Against COVID-19, Secretary Carlito Galvez, and Deputy Chief Implementer Vince Dizon, inspected the new passenger terminal of Clark International Airport. The new facility will help the hub triple its capacity from 4.2 million to 2.2 million passengers yearly. And if it could attract more airlines, the gateway will also help decongest air traffic over the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Despite economic challenges amid the pandemic, Finance Secretary Carlos Dominguez said the government will slash the budget for the Build a Build program as these infrastructures will help spur economic activity.
Need that so that they can transport their goods to and from La Union to Manila or to the other provinces. So that's number one. Number two, it hires people. It creates a lot of employment.
Charles, the Transportation Department said the new terminal is almost complete and is expected to be operational at the end of the year. Charles?
Right, Camille, tell us about your travel along TPLEX. What was it like? Were there a lot of vehicles already, and did you encounter any checkpoints?
Charles, so far we only saw a few vehicles along TPLEX, but authorities are also still implementing strict checkpoints in borders of provinces despite the easing of community quarantine. So motorists and their passengers are still required to present a travel authority document to make sure that their travel is not for leisure purposes. Charles?
All right, thanks, Camille. That was Camille Samonte reporting live from Pampanga. Health Secretary Francisco Duque III says the Philippines has flattened the COVID-19 curve since April based on two metrics. Duque explains that the case doubling time and mortality doubling time have lengthened. According to the Health Secretary, this has provided them with a window of opportunity to improve and increase the capacity of the country's health system. Here are other stories we are keeping our eyes on. The Health Department is also expanding its COVID-19 testing coverage. The DOH will now include teachers, workers in the tourism sector, restaurant personnel, and residents in areas where there's clustering of cases. Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana says his tests came back negative for coronavirus. The DND Secretary placed himself under quarantine on Monday after his senior aide tested positive for COVID-19 on the same day. Lorenzana got tested for the virus on Tuesday. And the New York Times will move some of its Hong Kong staff to Seoul in South Korea due to a new security law imposed by China on the Special Administrative Region. The U.S. news outlet said the law has unsettled news organizations in the financial hub. For more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World online. You can also visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis, and you can catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. We'll now throw you back to the House of Representatives, where lawmakers continue to hear the issues surrounding Meralco during the pandemic. I'm Charles Lejano. We are One News.